So hi friends, welcome to SQL Master YouTube channel. So I am Manju here and I welcome you all for my YouTube channel. So I am going to show you today how you have to fetch the last item sold. Okay, last order date. Okay, item sold, last order date. How you are going to fetch this record using joins here. Okay, using joins we are going to fetch this record about order date, last order date item sold. Okay, so this is very important interview question, which is in most of the interviews the interviewer may ask you about this question. Okay, so without wasting time, we move to the query part. Let's get started. So here I have two tables. Okay, you can see here select star from prod. This is one table which contains p underscore id, p underscore name, and order underscore date. Okay, three and simple table I had been taken here. TV, mobile, and watch. We have to fetch this one, third row, that is 18 August 23, 9 July 23, and 11 June 23. But we want this one, 18 August 23, last, the latest order date, which is item sold. So another table I have, we are going to perform this using joins. In this table, we have em underscore id and name. Okay, so this last record, by combining both, we have to display name. I just write here. Okay, so what we have to display? We have to display name and p underscore id and order underscore date. Okay, these things we have to display by writing the query here. So for just making it easy, I just pin this. Okay, this table, prod table, and also as well as em table. So it's more easy for us to write the query here. So okay, so let us start writing query. So first we have to take the columns like select p dot p underscore id, comma, then we have to display p dot order underscore date, comma, from this table we have to display name, that is e dot name. Okay, from prod p, this p is like alias name for this prod table. Okay, inner join, that is em alias name is e. Okay, on p dot p underscore id, that is common id you have to take. Okay, from here em underscore id from this table, and here from this table p underscore id you are taking as common records here. So I'm writing condition on p dot p underscore id is equal to e dot em underscore id, where p dot order underscore date is equal to, again we have to write here subquery, that is select max of order underscore date. So we have to select the last date, no, last latest order date from the table prod. So this ends here the query. So this is query how you can use inner join to retrieve latest ordered item on latest date. So just press Ctrl Enter. So you are getting here product ID, that is T3, and order date 18 August 23, and name is Amrut. So this person has placed this one on this date, purchase the product ID, this one. Again we have to retrieve data, the product name also here. Just place here the product name, that is p underscore name. Okay, you just write here p underscore name, p underscore name. Okay, so that will get retrieve you the product name also. So you can see here PID 3, that is ID number, and product name is watch. Order date is 18 August 23. This is latest date on which the watch is ordered by this person. So this is what the friends, how you can fetch the latest date ordered item with all these details. So by using this video, watching this video, you can understood this query. I think this will be going to helpful for you people for the interview purpose. So if you really like this video, kindly like it and share my video, and kindly subscribe to my channel, so it will be more helpful for me to make more and more videos on SQL queries, ETL testing. So thanks for watching this video, friends. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Take care.